Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you this new website where users can actually put their wallet phrase, and those phrases will actually be sent to your Telegram account. So note, this for educational purpose only. We are not responsible for any legal use of this website. So let's get started, and I'm show you how this works. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up for yourself and how you can use this platform too. All right, let's get started. And see, now this is just a one-page website, no too much design and all those stuff. Okay, let me just refresh this. You can see unable to authenticate connect manually. So if I click on connect, you can see connect your wallet to get started. So just give it time to actually load. Okay, it's loading. As you can see here, connect your wallet to get started. Fail to connect, use the form below to connect manually. So wallet type, you can say MetaMask, Coinbase, SafePath, Tronlink, DeFi Chain Wallet. You can see there are a lot of options here you can use for yourself. Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to say MetaMask, then phrase, let's say phrase. Okay, let me use Trust Wallet, then I will say phrase. Just say test, test, test. So just copy that, then duplicate everything here. Duplicate it. So you can say click on connect wallet. Just give it time to load. You can see something went wrong. Please try again later. If I'm to go back to my Telegram account where all these phrases are being sent to, you actually see that the phrase is actually there. So let's let this load so I can show you. I can show you into my Telegram. Okay, then go back to my Telegram, and you can see if I click on this, you can see this is new one here, wallet recovery. You can see the trust wallet account type phrase. Say this data is for educational purpose only. You should know that. So basically, this is how this website actually works. So next thing I'm going to show you now is how you can actually set it up for yourself and how you can actually use it. So to set it up for yourself, you need two things. First of all, you need your domain name and hosting. They need a Telegram account. Does not have to be the whole Telegram account. It can be a new Telegram account. You can create it today and you can start running this website. So once you have getting your domain name and hosting, if you want to get the domain name and hosting, you don't know how to get the domain name and hosting, you can message the number in this description of this video to actually get your domain name and hosting for you. So after getting your domain name and hosting, you have logged in, take you to a place like this. For this, I'm going to be uploading it into a subdomain. You can upload it in your main domain if you want. So let me load my subdomain, say on domain. I already have this created, so it's just to set it up for myself. It's very easy to set up, not too much. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use this. So let me cancel this. Okay, sorry, not this. Let me go back. Okay, this I'm using this work. All right, so after you have paid for this particular file and you have given your file, so once you download into your computer, click on upload. You can select. So you have to choose where the part where the particular file is. So just give it time to load. All right. Okay, this is it. This is it here. So just copy that. All right. So you have to wait for this thing to actually show green before you can actually proceed anything. So just give it time to actually load. Okay, it's loading. All right, so let's see. But you have to wait. Okay, let's see green. So you can actually just cancel this here now. So you reload this page, you see this file here. So click on extract, right click on extract. Okay, click on close, then reload this page. And see this is my file here. So you can actually leave this inside a folder, then you can just search your domain name. This is my domain name here. This work.webtext.com slash. If you do slash this folder name, it will actually load. But I don't want to do that. I want to move out of the folder. So enter this folder, click on select all, click on move, then remove this folder name from here. So I want it to be in the main subdomain that is work.webtext.com.ng. So click on move. But if yours not is not a subdomain, you can just leave it like this. If not a subdomain, it should be like this. But this might is a subdomain, so I'll leave it like this. Okay, so click on move and just go back. Alright, so this is the you actually completed the first step on how to set this up. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come back to this file named submit.php, click on edit. Okay, there are two things we actually need for this. You need your bot token ID, then your chat ID. So I will show you how you can actually get this from your Telegram. Since we are going to be sending it directly to Telegram. Okay, so this is my Telegram here. So first thing first, you're going to do once you have your Telegram, click on the search for bot father. Click on that. Search for bot father. Okay, I want to create a new bot. So you can say, all right, let us say slash new bot. Okay, let's give it time to load. Okay, so you say, all right, it's a new bot. How are you going to call it? Okay, so you have to actually name your bot. So I say it's new user. Okay, let's say new wallet test one. New wallet test one. So let's send that. Okay, good. Okay, you have to actually choose a username now. So you can say, I called my bot this. So click on next. Okay, username already taken. Okay, I can still use this. Yes, you have to put underscore bot. You have to put underscore bot. Okay, so after you have been giving your this is actually your bot token. So you have to actually have to copy this, go back to submit.php and paste it here. So you actually have to remove everything here. Remove everything there. Then next thing you have to do now after doing that is to actually create a group. You have to actually create a group. So you click on new group. Okay, new group. To actually create group, you actually need to add your bot to that particular group. So copy this particular one. You have to actually copy this particular bot name, then create a group. So add this your bot to this particular group. Okay. Next. Okay, name this your group. You can name it. Okay. Since we are going to be making this bot a public group, you actually have to use a name that someone can just actually easily search. So I cannot start seeing this user's phrase. So for this, we are going to actually name it something a little okay, something a little different from can say new bot territory 567H. Just is a random name that people can actually use. search. So okay, after creating it, you actually have to make the group public. So click on edit, make the group public, then give it a name. So you can actually still use this particular name here. So just let me see if I can copy that, or I'll just write it. Just say new bot 33567 HW. Then restrict saving content. Okay. Make sure you make the public group and click on save. After doing that, to get your chat ID, just write at name of your group. Okay, so actually the easiest way to do this is just to come back here, copy a link to this particular group, this public group. Yes, let's see, invitation link, copy that, paste it here. Sorry, copy, then remove everything from the back here, then put at, then copy this particular name, go back to this page, remove this here, then paste here, click on save. So just give it time to load. Okay, basically this is how you can actually set this up for yourself. You can see very easy to do, and if you follow this step properly, you should be able to set this up for yourself. So bye for now and see you in the next video.